Give you my heart.
Hi there, YouTubers. Today I'm coming to you guys with a Sonic mukbang, and I have some cheese fries, nacho cheese fries from Taco Bell. What's this food just name it, man? Ooh. I want to talk some of these fries for winter. So you guys, Imani, I have school today. It's my first day of school today. Oh yeah, I got ocean water to drink. Excuse me. Anyway, I got onion rings. I'm gonna dip it into this cheese sauce. I don't know if I have any ketchup. I do. I'm gonna put some ketchup right here. So how are you guys doing today? I'm doing good. Here I'll go. I can have a bite of this onion ring. Need some ketchup to go with it. This is so weird a little bit. Cause Winter is taking a nap. Money's at school. Sadie's at school. Alberto's at work. Hold on. Alright, those people messaging me about voting for Bernie Sanders. I went on and voted. Because we have the right to vote, and as women we did not have the right to vote, and as people of color we did not have the right to vote. So I voted even though I didn't really know who to vote for. So this one's got a really good big piece of onion ring, guys. Alright, you guys. Y'all can have the first bite. Alright. So, did you guys vote? And if you voted, who did you vote for? I'm not saying who I voted for because I'm not sure if I made the right decision. I would have loved to learn a little bit more about the candidates, but the main people I heard about was Bernie Sanders, Elizabeth Warren, Joe Biden, Mike Bloomberg, yeah. those were the people who I heard about the most. So, let me get this hair back. Okay. But yep, those are the people I heard about the most. So, I voted out of those people. I knew I had some more lavender. Like, I know I bought 2 lavenders. Anyway, because if those don't work out, then I can put those. We'll see what happens. It'll be a week. Next Monday or Sunday. Or Saturday. I don't remember what day I'm paying for it. It was day 3, so. It was Sunday. Was it Sunday though? I skipped one day of watering, so it was Saturday. Excuse me. Now, well, we'll see how my lavender turned out. Because hopefully, maybe this weekend, I'm going to start a garden in the backyard. They gave me 2 cups. No, they gave me 3 cups. Look at that. I don't think they know. But that's cool, because I use these cups. Okay. So tonight, excuse me. Tonight, I think I'm gonna cook Chinese food, you guys. Cause I have make it look pretty for the camera. Anyway, because I bought some sweet and sour sauce. My next mukbang, guys, I'm going to be eating beef sauce with egg, sausage, and corn. It's my favorite to eat with the beef sauce. Excuse me. I would have ate it today, but I didn't feel like stopping inside the store to get some more butter. Even though this would have been, this is more, a little bit more expensive than butter. Ooh. I figured it's been a long time since I had Sonic. Sonic went up. I'd be able to say $6.99. That stuff almost was $9. But actually, it was literally 2 cents from being $9. Nacho fries, $1.54. I got the buffalo ones. $3.39, I think that person said. don't know why I keep on sticking this in cheese. I don't really like it too much in the cheese. The burger and the cheese though. Now that's different. It's just so quiet. It's just so hard because it's a little harder than used to. I got my sticker. I don't know if y'all can see that. So, want them little money. Get her some bebobs. First cool. I'm gonna love these ones. For the mini ponytails I'm gonna be putting in their head. And I bought her a couple of bows. Aren't these cute? And I got these bows too. And I just got her some hair moisturizer and stuff. Ooh. Because she hates getting her hair combed. She hates it. I didn't get any bar race because I know she'll pull out her hair, you know. I don't really want to deal with that road so. Because I can put the bebobs, the Tweety beads, whatever, which one y'all want to call them, at the top and in her hair. You know what? There's something in this burger. I wish I wanted to put in here. I think it's the pickles. You know what? They put too many. They put too much ketchup. No, they put too much mustard. Last night, it took me like 30 minutes or so because I had to fix my messing up my cameras or whatever because it wasn't recording. Except my phone was offline. Cause I moved the cable box. I mean yeah, I moved it around there. I can't do it, y'all. It's kind of hard. No more aliens for me. This is why I like Burger King. Yeah, good better. Yeah, too punchy. Get in here. Get at. Yeah. Yeah. Last bite. I feel like I gotta burp so much more, but I can't. Get the soda. Well, it's not anymore enough now. It's not coming out, you guys. I can feel it, and it's not coming. It's nerve wracking. It's getting on my nerves because I want it to come out. It's not coming. It's gonna come, but it's not coming yet. It's not ready. I keep doing this. That's definitely not it, you guys. Definitely not it. Burp, baby, burp. Burp, baby, burp. That was it. All right. I hope you guys will like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So you will be notified every time I post a video. Thank you for my day ones. Thank you for the new people who subscribe to my channel. I'm supposed to be getting my nails fixed, so, but thank you.